Hi there, sixth graders. It's Mr. Kerr, and here we are just about at the end of the first semester, finishing up Unit 1 and Semester 1. We call this Week 16 and 17, or Week 16 and 16 and a half. Either way, it's all the same. We're wrapping up here, though, starting Monday, December 12th, and then by Wednesday, the 19th, we should be all set and complete. So you're watching the video here. Make sure you go over this calendar very carefully. And let me double check. I think we're going to open up the final, what we call the final quiz on Thursday of this week. And so let's pop over here. As always, as we're coming to the end of the semester, make sure you are checking your grades. Are you missing any assignments? Are there any assignments that you need to go back and redo? Anything like that? And this past week, looking at the different cultures, that was one way of going back and kind of starting a review over all of these civilizations, early civilizations that we've learned about in the Western Hemisphere. And we're going to continue kind of doing this review. So as week 16 and 16 and a half open, and I'm not going to open up a new week next week. This will be our last week going into the final week, which will be next week. But as we go in here, finishing the semester, it's called, and talk a little bit about finishing up and what we've done, and some big questions, big ideas. How does where you live influence how you live? Why is where important? Why do things stay the same or change over time? And I want you to be very mindful of the visuals, of the pictures that are in your classes. And especially as we review this week and some of the things that I've put in here. Your first assignment in this last week is called Questions in the Western Hemisphere. And basically what I'm going to have you do is look back at all the discussion boards we've done in this Unit 1 this first semester. And here are some of the questions that were asked on the discussion boards. And what I want you to do is to take one of these that I've given you, and what are there, about 8 or 9 here, one of these that I've given you, and then go back and find at least 2 more from all of the discussion boards, but really good questions that you think get into the meat of this learning about the early civilizations of the Western Hemisphere. And then you will that is your post then, are posting those 3 questions. And that's it. You don't have to write anything else. Just post the 3 questions. So again, I've given you one question here, so pick one of these questions and then go back and pick 2 other questions from our discussion boards at any time out of the semester. Try and pick really good, interesting ones. They're all interesting, of course, but try and pick good, interesting ones. And then what will be important are your replies. So you will answer at least 3 questions posed by your classmates. And don't answer all 3 from one classmate. Answer 1 per classmate. Little hint here, there are only 4 of you right now in this class, so you'll be replying to 1 question per classmate. And one of your classmates is at outdoor labs, so might have to wait all the way until next week when she returns. So anyways, you will post 3 questions. You will have 3 replies. I'll give you a little extra time in case somebody doesn't get one of them posted, but you should be able to get most of this done. And then carefully here, each reply should be at least a full paragraph. And please have your questions posted by the end of business on Tuesday, so everyone has plenty of time to complete their replies. This is a review for you, because then opening on, I think it's either Wednesday or Thursday, is your semester 1 final quiz, and here are all the wonderful questions. But you will be able to take the final quiz twice, only 2 times. So, and I'm not going to open it until after you've at least posted your questions. So make sure you get your questions posted. here on the discussion board, and then I'll get the final opened up twice. So go through it once, take really good notes, because you can only take it once more after that, and everyone should get 100%. There's no reason you shouldn't get 100% on the quiz. Okay, and that's that. So as the end of the semester, your grades really count at the end of these 2 weeks. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I am here to help. And with that, merry and happy, and I'll see you on the flip side, right? Okay, I will see some of you soon, and some of you I will see you a little less soon, but all soon enough. Thanks. See you next year. Bye.